As I mentioned, the point number 3 of what? Point number 3 is of new product development, and the sub point of third category, that is known as stages in new product development. First point which we have to discuss today, that is idea generation. You know very well, new product ideas may emanate from customers, dealers, company sources, including market research groups or research development groups. Mean to say, you can get any idea from anyone, from any corner of the society. Therefore, we have to check out what kind of the idea you have and what kind of the idea you have to achieve from one to another place. Therefore, we should know what kind of the idea you will get so that you can produce new product. As I mentioned, different sources from which we can get this particular idea. Please note down the sources. Number one, customers. Note down please, customers. The customers can get new idea, or they can give this idea to us. Us mean to say businessman, firm, organization, manufacturer, supplier, dealer, franchisor, anyone. They can give this idea to anyone in form of suggestions, complaints, or feedback. It means to say, as you know very well, consumer is the king of the market, but I convey every time, consumer is the king and queen of the market. Historically, there was a statement which was given by our marketing fathers that consumer is the king of the market. Why they have given this statement? Because of at that moment or the yesteryears or in the past, most of the decisions were taken by the male persons only. But nowadays, why I am saying this thing? Because of the female persons, or you can say male and female both are the decision makers nowadays. That's why I am saying a consumer is a king and queen both. Therefore, I mentioned here the idea can be generated by the customers. They can give this idea through suggestions, through complaints, through feedback to anyone who is supplying the products or anyone who is willing to produce the product. Second point, first point is clear. Mean to say, idea can be generated on the part of the customers, that can be generated through the suggestions, complaints, or the feedback. Second point, channels of the distributions. You know very well, as and when any kind of the product is to be produced by us and that will be delivered to among the society or delivered to the consumers, customers, or any stakeholders of the society, so that they can purchase, they can change the product, they can consume the product, they can use the product. For that purpose, we are in the need of channels. Why we are in need of channels? Because of it is our responsibility that any kind of the product when we will deliver to anyone, we need different logistics managements, different change of the supply of the product. Therefore, we have the retailers, we have the wholesalers, we have the distributors, we have the franchisers, we have different partners which will share their information with us to distribute our products to anyone. That's why we are in the touch of the channels of the distribution. That's why I am saying any kind of the idea can be generated by any channel of the distribution. A retailer can give you idea, a wholesaler can give you idea, and franchisor or the dealer or any part or any channel they are the part and parcel of your business, and they can give any idea to you, and you can capture that idea and you can produce the new product. Clear this thing? Third point, research and development organizations. What the research and development organization? Like McKinsey or Boston Consultancy Group or any research and development units, what you have built up, what you have established in your organization, then they can generate any kind of the idea. Nowadays, what you see the point today, the pandemic COVID-19 is going on. Everyone or our worthy Prime Minister is inviting our young scientists, please come and give the idea how to generate, how to produce the vaccine to combat this COVID-19 pandemic which is arising out of the world. Similarly, the different research development organization, what you have established in your companies, in your organizations, then they can give the new idea. Okay, this product is available and we can change the design of this product. We can change the ideology. We can change the ingredients. Mean to say any kind of the suggestion, any type of the suggestion they can give you, and you will try to develop that product. Now, these 3 points are clear. First one is customer, they can give the idea to you. Second is channel of distribution. Third one is R&D organizations. Next point, employees. As you know, you are the employer and you have appointed so many persons in your organization. All are employees. They can give any idea to anyone. Mean to say, as and when you will be open with them mean to say with those persons. Those persons mean to say your employees, by which we can say, okay, please come and give the ideas to us. As and when you will invite our employees or your employees, they will